Welcome to Embsew. Hi friends, today I'm sharing how to do outline stitch. This is my product that has just been completed from the outline stitch. The reverse of the fabric will give you a basic pattern. And now the steps of the outline stitch. Begin by bringing your needle up from the start of the line. Hold the threads above the stitch line. Then bring the needle back down, a space apart. Take your needle through the first stitch and pull tight. Repeat these steps. Or you can also embroider like this. Do it like me. To end the outline, bring your needle down into the last stitch. And here is an embroidery sample. Apply completely the outline stitch. Please embroider with me. The outline stitch is almost identical to the stem stitch. The outline stitch is done with your thread above the stitch line, whereas the stem stitch requires the threads to be below the stitch line. You can learn more about the stem stitch in my previous video. I will mark the video link at the top of the screen and below the description. I'm a beginner embroider. I'm not a professional, so the stitches are still very clumsy. Don't laugh me. And the outline stitch is also used to embroider curved details, flowers, branching, borders, letters, or to fill surface like gliding stem stitch. In fact, when embroidering, we will flexibly use two basic stitches together to make the picture more perfect. However, in this video, I'm talking about outline stitch. So, there will only be one type of outline stitch to complete the product. There is also a cable stitch, which is a variation of the true stitch, outline stitch, and stem stitch. I will talk about that stitch more detail in the next video. So please subscribe to my channel to watch the next videos. Thanks for watching my video.